and we move on to Libra. So I'm pulling out uh, three cards from my tarot deck. So basically, this month we are focusing on self-improvement. We are looking onto what are the things that we should improve in our own nature, in our behavior, that will sort of make us as a better person. So this is what we are asking tarot cards to guide us for this month. So let's see what's in store for you for August 2016. Three tarot cards and angel message. Okay, so all the three cards that I've got for you are quite bright, and all these three cards are very important cards of the deck, plus are major cards as we say them in the deck. So somehow tarot is telling you this month there are a lot major things that should be inculcated in your life that will really help you grow as a person, and overall will improve your life drastically. So yeah, to start with, the first card that I have for you is the Hanged Man. So the Hanged Man clearly tells you that uh, your your opinions are always loud. Your opinions are always sort of different. Anything that you stand for, anything that you want to make make a choice for or make an opinion for, you are always different from the crowd. But where the problem comes is, when people try and make you understand that, this is not how it's to be done, rather than they sort of force their opinion onto you, and at the end, what happens is you take down onto that. You go with that flow. So somewhere, whatever opinions you usually have, it goes away, and others' opinions sort of force into your head, and you tend to believe in that. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's just that whatever opinion you have, whatever choices you make, be firm to it, because those are the ones that is going to make difference in your life, rather than enforcing others' decision into your life, or accepting others' opinion is not working out for you. So yeah, that's one major change tarot wants you to inculcate into your life, because all this while you've been just forcing others' opinions into your life. Don't do that. Stand with your opinion, no matter if it's different or what, just be firm with your own words. Second card that I have for you is another card, which is a major card, like I already mentioned. So this card tells you, you tend to get too overconfident at times. If you are given a lead, or if you have understood the worth of life, or if you are really totally in charge of a certain project or anything, not a project but anything at home, wherein you are the lead. So you get too overconfident, and at the same time you underestimate the power of other people in that particular project, or in that particular situation with you. So tarot is telling you being confident is good, but sometimes overconfident really gets onto your head, and that is where you mess up a situation. So don't do that. Just be confident. Don't let overconfidence enter you. um, Another card is the Chariot. So this card clearly tells you, there are always opinions or decisions made from your heart or your head. So most of the times, whatever comes from you comes from the heart. So it's correct. It doesn't tell that you're on the wrong path, or you're making mistakes in life. No, tarot's telling you whatever decisions you make from your heart are always favoring you. There might be a bit here and there, but yes, go ahead, keep making decisions from your heart. That is what is favoring you in life. That is going to take you a really long way in life. So yes, this was about the tarot reading. Let's move on to the angel message. Angel message for you is higher consciousness. Somewhere you have let down yourself as a person. You believe that everything that is coming is because of others, is because just because they are helping you to get there. No, it's your time to understand the worth of yourself. Understand yourself better, and things are really gonna take you a long way. So do not underestimate yourself. Yes, that's what angels and tarot want to tell you. Work on yourself and be a better person in life. So yeah, this is all for you guys. Stay tuned, stay connected for my upcoming videos. Thank you.